What's the meaning of clog dance? Clog dance. Clog dance.
Clog dance. Clog dance. Clog dance is a type of percussive dance that originated in Europe, particularly in the British Isles. The dancers wear clogs, which are wooden-soled shoes, and create rhythm by striking their heels and toes on the ground. The sound produced by the clogs hitting the floor is a key element of the dance, which is often accompanied by music played on instruments such as the fiddle or accordion. Clog dance can be performed solo or in groups and is characterized by its energetic and lively movements.